Hello. How are you guys? Missed y'all. I'm sure you miss me. It's now Tuesday, and I've been away for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I hope you guys are enjoying the Iowa tests that you're taking. I bet they're awesome. So, hey, you're doing great. I'm sure you guys are getting straight 100s on those tests and making us look really smart. Keep up the good work there, and I will keep sitting on the beach getting sunburned. I am really sunburned now. I'm sure you guys will make fun of me when I get back. I'll probably just red as that marker, but hey, it's okay. All right, but I'm going to suffer for you, and you guys watch this video, have some fun. Joseph, stop. Just sit up and have fun with this. It's good. All right, your mom will give you a nice ride into school. Don't worry. All right, and I hope you haven't been able to get sick or hurt or whatever, so you're not here to watch this, and then you're going to be disappointed. All right. Well, hey, enough of that. Let's get to the chapter 12. All right, chapter 12. We'll record some other stuff that you will be able to pick up, but this is chapter 12, point 1 and 2. It's going to be 2 lessons in one, and so you guys need to be following along. I'll try to get the information for you written up here, and then maybe you can even get it written and typed up or whatever. I don't know. We'll see. But you need some important information. I'll try to write it up for you so you get it. All right? Okay, let's start off with the first thing. This chapter entails what is called transformations. So transformations, the title of this chapter is transformations. So what's a transformation? All right, that marker is not going to work for us, is it? All right, transformation. There we go. Transformations. Now, we have all heard of transformers. Well, what's a transformer? A transformer is what? Is if it goes from one place and it changes to one other. It doesn't turn into two, it turns into one. So it's a one, and so the answer for a transformation is a 1 to 1. Okay, so it's 1 to 1 function. So it's a switch, 1 to 1. So it's one to the other. So it's 1 to 1. Okay, just remember this thing. It's a 1 to 1 switch or 1 to 1 change. Okay, so now here's the question I have. All right, and I'm going to lose the tie. I'm sorry, you're going to have to listen to a teacher without a tie on. All right, it's past the hour of it all going on. All right, so transformations, 1 to 1. Now, there are 5 different types of transformations. So we're going to talk about 5 types today. I'm going to teach you 4 of them today. You're going to learn one on Wednesday, and then Thursday you're going to have a review of that. All right, so 1 to 1. All right, number 1. All right, so first one. Okay, number 1, the 1 to 1 is a reflection. All right, so we have a reflection. All right, so what is a reflection? Well, really simply, what is a reflection? If I look in a mirror, I see this beautiful face, and so that's a reflection. Okay, it's over one line, and it is an exact replica. Now, the bad thing about a reflection is it doesn't look any better when I look at it. All right, I know some of you are making fun of me now. I get it. Nate, stop making the jokes in the back. I know you are. But just trust me, if I look in a mirror, I see this beautiful face, I'm sure. And so you look in the mirror and you see a face, okay? It's a direct reflection of the exact thing that's there. It doesn't change it. It just flips it over. Okay, so if I'm touching my right eye, it looks like I'm touching my left eye. All right? It flips it, okay? And so it's a flip. Okay, so the word I use is it flips. Flips. So if I have and I reflect it over this line. So the same distance. So you'll see the little tick marks. And what do those tick marks mean? Prime. Okay, remember we talked about when it moves, it's prime. Okay, so that's the change. So this is the original image. Okay, so this is our original image. And this is our what gets made. So this is a pre-image, this is the image, this is the original, this is the new one. Okay, so another word for that is image. And this is a pre-image. Okay, so we have an image, pre-image. This is new, original. Okay, the original, and then the new one that is formed. Okay, so when I flip it, it just goes right over the side. Okay, I just flip it over the line, and it reflects it over. That's reflection. Okay, so does everybody understand reflection? So you're going to see that there's going to be a reflection. So when it reflects, is it going to change in shape? No. Will it get closer to the line? No. It just flips it over the line. Okay. So if I flip a 45-degree angle over a triangle, over a line, what is it going to do? It's going to what? Just be a 45-degree angle on the other side. Now, so we have a reflection. That's the first one. This is 12.1. And you're going to have a homework assignment from there. No big deal. It's pretty simple, to be honest with you. But then the second one is going to talk about the second two types of transformations. The second one is what we call a rotation. Rotation. Now, I'm going to give you one word to define that, and it is to turn. To turn. A rotation is to turn. The next one is called a translation. That is to what we call slide. So we have one word answers for these. So what defines what a reflection? The definition is flip. Rotation, turn. To translation is to slide. Now, there are two more, and we will define them later, but one of them is a dilation, and then what is called an identity. Identity. I should spell it right for you. Identity. Transformation. All right, what's an identity transformation? Well, that is when it flips it to come back to its original self. It comes back to the original, so it's identical. Okay, back to its original self, and we'll talk about that more later. Okay, so we have a reflection, flip, rotation, turn, translation.